Hi, thank you for joining me today. This is the partner agency meeting for July 25th, 2025. I'm doing something different this time. We're going to actually do it online, pre recorded. So you have time to watch it. Unfortunately, I will not be able to do a meeting on Friday due to family emergency. So I decided to do a recording. But you can contact me if you have any questions. All right, so today I want to talk about um, some of the things that's changing here in the food bank for the new fiscal year. If you've seen my newsletter, you'll notice that we did do about 12 million pounds, about 4 million, I believe, 400,000 was produce. So thank you all for all you do. Thank you for everything we're doing. We are growing. We're going to do better this year. Um, and we got new tools to play around with. First, let's talk about a new hire. I'm pretty sure you got a call from Paula. She's our new agency services coordinator. She'll be helping me making a better connection, better relationship with partner agencies. She's also helping me launch the new Service Insight, which is the replacement of Pantry Track. So help us gain insight on our neighbors and how we distribute food. So if you haven't said hi, please come say hi. She's going to definitely reach out to everybody. We have a whole team now. We're ready to rock and roll. So thank you, Paula. She's already hitting the ground running, and I appreciate everything you're doing. Thank you. So what's new? What's happening? What we're going to be doing for July? We're launching Milk Connect. So Milk Connect is a tool. It's going to replace our paper reporting. So instead of like emailing us or um, doing those spreadsheets, you can now do it on the website, which is really cool. I'm launching it. We do already do have a few agencies that's already on it, but we're going to launch it July 30th, and then slowly integrate everybody over. We're also looking to add new agencies onto the Neighbor to Neighbor program. We're now calling it Food Rescue. So we're going to get more agencies on board to get the food directly from the grocery stores. So look out for that. But for now, Milk Connect is going to be the new reporting tool. It's easy, it's fun. Once I get this launched, next time we talk, I'll actually show you a demo. We're also going to be doing a new tool called Vibery. Now, Vibery is, we're going to talk more about this at the summit, but Vibery will be a way for us to, if you don't have a website, it's a really good tool to help you build one and connect it to the food bank's website. It's going to have contact information. It's going to have, and you'll be able to, as a partner agency, be able to actually update and change the data. So it'll be connected to our website and you'll be able to update hours, update new content. If you're doing something cool, you can actually update it there. Gift card applications is already out. You haven't seen the email, come by. You can have the QR code you can take a picture of. If you want turkeys, so instead of doing gift cards, you want to actually use turkeys, please let me know now. We're going to reach out to some of the grocery stores, Costco, Food Lion, whoever, to see if we can get it at our cost or a better cost if we're doing it in bulk. Mind you, we are not paying for turkeys. We're only giving out gift cards. So if you want turkeys, please let me know if you want to buy it through us so we can give you a discount. We will not store the turkeys. This is just for us to purchase the turkeys and give it to you, or pretty much using our discount code to get the turkeys. This is not for us to purchase or store it. And then moving on to September, it's Hunger Action Month. We have some ideas on what we're going to do for activities, but we also have a partner agency summit. It's the first one in 3 years. So, yay. We're going to actually launch this. It's going to actually happen pretty quickly. So, there's a survey that's about to come out. Please fill it out. Let RSVP, come, We're going to have some talks, some speeches, and to network. We really want to hear from you guys. In October, this is where we're going to distribute the gift cards, and then we're going to launch into phase 2 in February. The first phase is just gathering data, and that's what Paula is doing. And phase 2 is where we're going to actually pretty much put on our website the map. So you'll see a map of all the agencies. You get all the cool things that you guys are doing. It's going to slowly, we're going to launch that slowly in phases. And then November is still pending. We still have some things that we're still getting more data to figure out what we're going to do. I do want to launch into online ordering. Okay. I have a lot of questions coming our way about how to add new users. If somebody quits or you need a shopper, you have access to do this. And I'm going to have this PDF or this PowerPoint for everybody to have. But first, I just want to go over real quickly how to do it. So first, you will need to have access. And then once you're on, there's a little icon on the very right-hand corner. Click on that and you'll see My Agency. So click on My Agency, and then it'll take you to another tab where it says Contacts. Click on that navigation that says Contacts, and then go to Add New Contact. That's how you do it. It's really simple. 1, 2, 3. Click here, click there, and then you can add a new person. Unfortunately, this person will not have access to order online, but they will be a new shopping contact. Okay. And then here is the Partner Agency Summit information. But I want to go back real quick. I do want to kind of show you real quick on how to do that. And it's very, very simple. So first of all, if you don't have access, please contact me. And if you're interested in learning how to use the site, please let me know. Okay, so this is the home page. And like I said, you click on the corner right here, click on My Agency, and then click on Contact, and then click on Add. This is where you can type in, add a new user, click on the information. And then right here, you can add them as a shopper. This is called the contact type. You can add them as a shopper. You can add them as the main contact, ship to, and bill to. If you add them as ship to and bill to, and then you put their email address right here, they will receive mail from us or email from us. When Daryl does the shopping list and puts it in the system, they will get copies of the invoices. And then just real quickly also, you can come up here, go to My Documents, and then you will also see invoices. So these are invoices that's already been submitted. And if you need a copy, you can print out a PDF. So here's an example of one. Okay. Another thing that I'm getting a lot of questions on is statistics. This happens every month. On the first, you have to do this part. Instead of sending me emails on what you're doing, you'll have to enter it into the system. So you select the month, hit save, and then you enter in your data. So let's say you did 33. I'm just randomly putting numbers in here. If you made a mistake, just double click back on it. It's only requiring you to do the first 5, the 1 through 5, to put that information in there. If you do not do USDA, you leave 6 through 9 blank. I only require 1 through 5. So after you put the numbers in, you click off the cell right here like that, and then it automatically saves. The cool thing about this is you can do filters, you can sort it as well. Hit save and you're done. So right here it says edit. I can still go back in here and say I made a mistake, like, oh my goodness, I put total service 55. That cannot be right because those numbers don't look right. So I can go back in here, quickly do my math, and then put in the correct number, right? Now, another question's asked, it's unique. So this is a cumulative, this is not a weekly or whenever your pantry, if you do like 6 pantries in 1 month, you're going to add it all together and enter that data here. Okay. You're not going to put it for every week. Like you don't have to do it weekly. So it's just for the whole month, all the activity you do in 1 month, add it here. Okay. So again, please let me know if you have any questions. I am starting to add contact information here. The scheduler is on the first page. I am working on updating that information. Um, so stay tuned for that. Okay. So the agency summit, like I said, is happening at the Holiday Inn on Newport News on Omni Boulevard. If you click on, if you actually have a camera, you can take a picture of this. I will send out another email with the information. It's coming probably tomorrow. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Please let me know what kind of topics you want to talk about. Like, there's something that you really want to know. Please let me know. The theme is going to be hunger action. We can't do anything without each other. So I want to kind of stick to the theme of hunger action month since it's September. But if you have anything you want to talk about, nutrition, you want to talk about food safety, USDA, neighbor to neighbor, grants, insecurities, mental health. If there's something that's pressing that you guys think that we should talk about, let me know. I am going to put that in the invitation to determine, to get a census. Turkey gift cards again. Please make sure that you fill it out if you're interested in. I will make we need all of it in by the 29th of August. This year I did it digitally. So you can actually click on the link, take this picture, let me know if you have any questions, concerns. It's just easier to keep track of it through going through the form. So fill out as much information as you can so I can contact you if I have any questions. But again, this is not turkeys. This is turkey gift cards. So we're going to have gift cards either from Food Lion, Harris Teeter, and Kroger. I'm not too sure exactly where we're going to purchase them, but they will not be turkeys. If you need turkeys, we will give you a contact so you can purchase them yourself, but we will not store turkeys here at the food bank. We're also doing surveys. You may see this as well. We're doing a healthy pantry initiative. That's meaning that we're trying to get more healthy foods in our community, but we need to know where we're standing. So this is a mandatory assessment of our partner agencies, and everybody needs to participate. So if you receive the email, received a call from Ashley, please, please, please fill it out. I do have 2 people on my team, Rich and Paula, will be contacting everybody about this assessment as well. So we are going to check to make sure you do it. It is pretty lengthy. It is pretty lengthy. But these questions are recommended and required for us. Every year we're supposed to be doing these surveys. So we're behind. So that's why I try to get as much information in one shot versus sending you like 6 surveys in a year. So please fill it out. Let me know again, me, Ashley, if you have any questions about the surveys, assessments. All right. So like I said, this is kind of short and sweet. The next meeting, it's going to be Zoom. It's going to be live. God forbid, please, if nothing else fails, will be August 29th. So put that on the calendar. And if you're interested in doing it in person, we can try to get it here at the food bank. But I know a lot of people are out in Gloucester and Matthews and Surrey, and that is a drive. So I'm assuming I'm going to make this a Zoom presentation for now. But we will have an in-person summit on September 26th. September 26th. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything you do. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please let Paula know if you have any questions. Thank you.